In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own KDP account, which is an essential first step for anyone looking to self-publish books on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. By the end of this guide, you'll have your account set up and ready to embark on your publishing journey. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the KDP website. You can do this by typing KDP into your preferred search engine, or directly entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you land on the home page, you should see an option to sign up. Clicking this will lead you into the initial stages of creating your account. As you arrive at the sign-up page, you'll see an option to create your KDP account. Clicking here will open up a form where you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your account's security and accessibility. So go ahead and fill in your full name. This should be your real name, as it might be needed for tax information and other legal requirements down the line. Next, input your email address. It's best to use an email that you check regularly, since Amazon will use this for all communications and any notifications regarding your KDP activity. If you don't already have an email specifically for business purposes, now might be a good time to set one up. This helps in separating your personal emails from any publishing-related correspondence, keeping everything organized and manageable. After you've added your email, you'll need to come up with a secure password. When thinking of a password, consider using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. The aim here is to create a password that's both strong and memorable. Securing your account is vital, so take an extra moment to ensure that your password truly stands up to potential security risks. After inputting all this information, double-check for any typing errors to avoid problems later on. Once you're certain everything is correct, you can then move forward to the next step by clicking the Submit button, usually labeled as something like Create Account or Sign Up. Congratulations! You've successfully taken the first steps toward publishing your own work through Amazon KDP. With your account now active, you're ready to explore the many tools and resources that KDP offers to authors. This platform not only allows you to publish your books across both Kindle and print formats, but also provides extensive analytics to track your sales and reader engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to begin your publishing adventure. Remember, getting started with KDP is an exciting journey filled with potential, so dive in and explore the possibilities that await your creativity.